Welcome back to our channel, where today we have an exciting topic to discuss, the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 2. In this video, we'll be diving deep into all the details you need to know about this upcoming device. Will it surpass the original Nothing Phone and exceed our expectations? That's a question we'll explore in this video. But before we begin, we kindly ask you to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. We appreciate your continued engagement, and it motivates us to bring you more content like this. So without further ado, let's jump right into uncovering the mysteries and advancements of the Nothing Phone 2. Will it be a game changer in the tech world? Stay tuned to find out. Release date and price. Although an official release date hasn't been explicitly announced, we have received a vague yet promising window, summer 2023. Taking a look back at the debut of the original Nothing Phone 1 in July 2022, it seems plausible that we can expect the new iteration to grace our presence around the same time this year. With the promise of a summer launch, the anticipation continues to build as we eagerly await the arrival of the Nothing Phone 2. Now let's dive into the intriguing topic of pricing when it comes to the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 2. Unfortunately, concrete details about the price range are scarce at the moment. However, in an interview with Inverse, Carl P., the visionary behind Nothing, did provide a hint. He mentioned that the new device would be more premium than the Nothing Phone 1, suggesting a potential shift from the mid-range category to a higher range. Given the significant upgrades expected in the form of a Snapdragon 8 series chipset, refined design elements, and potential enhancements in the camera department, it's reasonable to anticipate an adjustment in pricing. The initial offering from Nothing enticed users with its Snapdragon 7 series chipset, wireless charging capabilities, and a price tag of approximately $470. With such improvements on the horizon, it's likely that the company will ramp up the pricing to reflect the enhanced features and overall experience. Features. Nothing has given us a glimpse into the new look through a teaser image, leaving us intrigued and excited for what's to come. The teaser image showcases a small portion of the phone's design, leaving us in anticipation. While it's challenging to decipher which specific part of the phone we're looking at, it's evident that the design retains the essence of the Phone 1, while also introducing subtle differences to set it apart. There are two notable details worth mentioning from the teaser. Firstly, there's a vibrant red element on the right side, which flashes in the Twitter teaser, indicating that it is indeed a light. This light is likely a nod to the video recording indicator featured on the first phone, albeit with a slightly different design approach. Secondly, our attention is drawn to a circular feature along the bottom edge, near the middle of the phone. Its purpose remains shrouded in mystery, but speculation arises. Could it be a latch of some sort? While it may seem unlikely, its resemblance to a latch sparks curiosity, leading us to ponder if it could potentially open a compartment, perhaps housing a replaceable battery. Chipset. When it comes to the powerhouse behind the Nothing Phone 2, Carl Pei revealed some exciting details at the Mobile World Congress in February 2023. He announced that the upcoming phone would be fueled by a Snapdragon 8 series chipset, specifically the 8 Plus Gen 1. This choice of chipset is quite impressive, even though it belongs to the flagship chip range of 2022. While it may not be as fast as the more recent 8 Gen 2, it still delivers remarkable performance at a significantly lower price point. This strategic decision allows Nothing to offer a powerful phone that doesn't break the bank. In comparison, the Nothing Phone 1 was equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778P Plus chip, which falls into the solid mid-range category. However, it pales in comparison to the sheer power and capabilities offered by the 8 Plus Gen 1 found in the upcoming Nothing Phone 2. With this chipset upgrade, users can expect enhanced performance, smoother multitasking, and a more seamless overall experience. Battery. Battery life has been a weak point for the Nothing Phone 1, with the 4500 mAh battery draining quickly when the display is active. Although the battery capacity is decent, an upgrade to around 5000 mAh would be a welcome improvement. Additionally, the phone's maximum charging speed of 33 watts falls behind other Android devices in the same price range. However, software updates have shown some positive impact on battery performance, and further refinements could potentially address this issue in the upcoming Nothing Phone 2. According to a report from Smart Price, the Nothing Phone 2 is expected to feature notable upgrades. Speculations suggest the use of a Snapdragon 8 series processor, 12GB of RAM with virtual RAM, 256GB of storage, an AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and a promising 5000 mAh battery. While these details align with our expectations, it may take some time before we receive official confirmation on the specifications. Camera. The camera setup on the Nothing Phone 1, featuring a pair of 50 megapixels main and ultra-wide lenses, showed promise in our review. However, we noticed that the computational software didn't fully capitalize on the potential of these optics. Fortunately, Carl Pei has expressed a strong focus on improving the software for the upcoming model. This approach is reminiscent of Google's strategy with its Pixel cameras, where the company has consistently utilized the same sensors while optimizing the software to deliver exceptional performance. With Nothing's commitment to enhancing the software, we can anticipate significant improvements in the camera capabilities of the new phone. And that concludes today's video, where we've covered all the essential details about the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 2. Despite the limited information available, we promise to keep you informed of any breaking news and updates as they emerge. So make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the latest developments. We'd love to hear from you in the comments section. Will you be purchasing this cutting-edge piece of technology? And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like before you go. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.